Good afternoon. I'm in the process of putting the final touches on the ceiling here before I put the tongue and groove ceiling up, but you can see it's all the wiring that's in for the recessed lighting and fan and stuff and lights in the bathroom, and yeah. So hopefully I've thought of everything. I don't really have a big schematic for this. It's just all in my head, but here's all the ceiling wiring that'll be going in. I did get all the wiring. Well, this is the stuff coming down from the gland I put for the air conditioner. I have solar wires that'll be coming down through here, and so alarm wires, camera wires, that kind of thing. These are the ones coming down from the ceiling. Anyway, I got everything coming up from the floor as well. I'm going to have a bit of a time putting all this together because all the tags I put on there, the ink came off. They got wet out there, and so now I got to figure out these wires again. But this is coming up from the floor and the ceiling, so I'm in the process now. I'm going to go get the tongue and groove and the paneling, and I'm going to panel and put the ceiling on and close this thing up. Hey y'all, it's been a few days since the last clip in this video. Since then I did get the ceiling in, and I got all the paneling on. It does stop here because this is where the bathroom and such will be, and then the kitchen up front here. So I got cabinets going in, and I'll be tiling the bathroom and doing different things. So the paneling does end up in the front there, and it ends right there. But if you look at the ceiling, it's all in, painted. I did get the vent in for the bathroom. I got recessed LED lights that are coming in tomorrow. I should be getting in. Anyway, I did paint the ceiling flat black. I got another coat to put on because I've scuffed things putting walls in, or these panels. But as you see this paneling, I decided to go with this. It's a slightly larger than, but slightly smaller than a quarter inch, but smaller than 3/8. It's some 16th or 32nd number, but in any case, it's pretty thin stuff. But this is basically a bead board, but it's actually a plywood. It's none of that MDF board, whatever they call that stuff that gets wet and swells up and all that stuff. I hate it, but I decided to put that in here. This was actually a pretty good price at Home Depot, and I decided to do that rather than try to paint over existing plywood and such. But I do have to sand it just a little bit. I think it's going to look really good. These are going to be white walls. Again, I'm not 100% sold on the ceiling. I went with the flat black. I think it's going to give it an industrial look. I got to wait till I get the white cabinets in and the cabinets along those windows and such, decide if I'm going to keep it that way or not. And like I said, it's just paint. I can always paint over. But the walls are done. You can see I've got the paneling on. The insulation's in. Obviously, there'll be trim along the ceiling, some crown molding and cabinets and stuff going in. And I got to do the ramp in the back. But yeah, so what I'm going to start on now, I think my next order of business is I'm going to build the utility cabinet here. It'll come up from the floor. The battery will be under it, and then have a refrigerator, and then up top I'll have my solar combiner. But I got wires coming in from the ceiling. Right now I've just got the 12 volt coming in from the air conditioner, but I'll have about 6 or 8 wires coming in from solar panels and such. I've also got my wires popped up through the floor here. So and my power distribution panel should be here early next week from E-Trailer. So I'll be taking all that and building up the power wall. I want to do that mainly so I can have lights and air conditioner and all that stuff in here while I'm doing the finish work. And then I'll build the wall in the bathroom, get the toilet situated, and start all the plumbing and all that business. But it'll start taking some shape in here over the next couple weeks. And I figure I got about another 4 or 5 solid weeks of work to do here. I'm getting ready for my first week in May of taking this thing out on the road. But in any case, yeah. So you get a look at this. I'll be putting some more trim around these windows. This paneling went in pretty good. I don't know if you noticed here, I cut the holes. Up here are actually some what they call rivet bolts. And these are where the cables are going to connect, or actually the belts are going to connect from my bed. So I've already got all that stuff set. And I got to put a board across the spring here and all that. But yeah, I got a lot of finish work to do. Again, this paneling, this came like that. I'm not sure what that green color is on this stuff, but it's all got to be sanded out and painted. I've been painted with a white semi-gloss, and I got all the cabinets and stuff. The rest of them are out in the garage. I just got them set in here to get out of the way. But anyway, this is what it looks like now. I'll come back to you in a few days when I got some more work done. Please like and subscribe for updates.